Now, the three of you close your eyes. Focus. Think of your memories of Amphibia, of how much this world means to you. This will allow the stones to resonate with your hearts once again! Warriors of Amphibia, arise!
Whoa! Swanky does!
Anne, you could do that this whole time?
Nope. These powers feel way more intense than before.
Hey, she's got new armor! Hey, you guys, we got the third rune god!
Don't cry, Sprig. It's okay. Saving this world was the best decision I've ever made. My only regret is that I never got to see Lovejoy's too.
But you knew that already, didn't you? This whole time you were aware that I wasn't the real Sakura.
It wasn't my soul that loved Princess Sakura. That part of it was yours, wasn't it?
I'm sorry. And thank you, Shaoran. Your Sakura's waiting. She's there. And so please, from now on, for the sake of the one you truly hold dear, be free.
About that.
Whoa! Whoa! What's happening? Am I actually dying this time?
I'm sending you back to the world of the living. You've shown me the error in my thinking. And if you can do that at age 13, then imagine the guardian you'll be after a life fully lived.
I did it! What's that? Hero? Who are you? A card?
It's me, of course, Kiro.
What? You're Kiro? So, you mean this is what you really look like?
That's right. And it's happened because you collected all the Clo cards.